ester bond and the urea cycle. Don't worry, I'll explain them step by step in a way that's easy to flow. Part 1. Ester bond. Let's start with the ester bond. An ester bond is a special type of chemical link. It forms when a acid and alcohol come together in the process of a molecule and water is released. You can imagine this like two Lego bricks snapping together and locking into place. But as they connect, a little piece like water is squeezed out. Now, why is this important in our bodies? One of the best examples is and fats and oils. Fats, which are also called triglycerides, are made when three fatty acids attach to one molecule of glycerol. What holds them together? That's right, ester bonds. These bonds are not just there for decorations, they serve a purpose. Fats are our long term energy storage. When we need energy, our body can break those ester bonds, releasing the fatty acids to be burned as fuel. Another example in cell membranes. Phospholipids, the main building blocks of membranes, also use ester bonds. Without them, our cells wouldn't have strong, stable barriers to protect their contents. So, in short, ester bonds are like the glue that holds fats and certain biological molecules together, allowing to us store energy in the main cell structures. Part 2. Urea cycle. Now let's move on to the urea cycle. Whenever we eat protein like meat, fish, beans, or eggs, our body breaks it down into amino acids. Amino acids are useful for building muscles, repairing tissues, and making enzymes. But when we have extra amino acids or when they are broken down for energy, something else happens. They release nitrogen in the form of ammonia. Here's the problem. Ammonia is a toxic. Even small amounts in our blood can harm the brain and other organs. That's why our body has special detox systems, and this system is called the urea cycle. The urea cycle takes place mainly in the liver. Step by step, it takes the dangerous ammonia and combines with carbon dioxide to create a much safer compound, urea. Urea is then released into the blood, carried to the kidneys, and finally leaves the body through our urine. Think of it this way. The urea cycle is like recycling plant. It takes a harmful waste product, ammonia, and transforms it into something safer and easy to dispose of. Without this cycle, toxic nitrogen would quickly build up in our bodies, making us very sick.